Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to all of you. So this past week, I managed to plan out over 6 months content in my beauty channel. So in today's video, I want to share with you how I plan out those contents, what kind of program that I use, and my whole thought process. Hopefully it will help you with your channel as well. If you're new here, my name is Chuoru. This channel is all about tips for small content creators and influencers. So if you are an aspiring content creator or new YouTuber, please join me and subscribe to my channel. As a content creator and YouTuber with a full-time job, planning is extremely important to me. During the week, I am pretty busy with my full-time job and I don't really have the time to be spontaneous and just film on the go. So I need to plan out all my content ahead of the time so that when I actually sit down to film videos, I already have what I need to talk about. So this week, I sit down and really look at my channel and plan it out, what I need to film in the coming year. So my tips here are just to give you a inspiration and give you an idea of what the thought process is. Make sure you tweak it based on your niche and your actual capacity. The first thing that I think about for my channel is how many times am I going to post every week. In 2021, I post 2 videos every week on my beauty channel. In the year of 2021, I am actually changing my schedule to be 1 to 2 videos. I know that at least once a week I need to publish a real detailed, good quality video. And then I will add on a second video if I have the capacity to do actual things, more, casual kind of video. With that in mind, I know that I need to produce at least 52 videos for that entire year. The first thing that I fit into my schedule is a recurring content. For example, every month on my beauty channel, I do a favorite and fail video where I go through all the products that I try out and I review, and I just do a roundup of all those products. So I know at the end of each month, I have that specific video planned out. So that already get 12 videos out of the way. I think for any type of niche, it's very helpful to have that routine, recurring type of content. Your subscribers will have that expectation of you doing that routine video. It also saves you extra brain cell to think about new ideas all the time. Obviously, every month you can tweak it a little bit and put something newer, maybe a different product, maybe a different kind of theme, things like that. The second type of content that is also kind of recurring for my channel is PR content and brand partnerships. I know every month I will receive a certain type of PR products from brands that I am going to review. So I set aside time for these contents to happen. That will get out of the way at least 12 videos for the year. So I use the app Notion to plan out all my contents and my ideas. It's not sponsored. I've just been using it this past few months and I really like how they lay out and how it works. You don't have to use Notion. You can start with using Google Calendar or use apps like Airtable or Trello. Those are also great apps to plan out content. Let me just pull up my screen to show you real quick. Here's the Notion app desktop. On the left side here, you can see different lists that I created. The Notion app is basically an app for productivity, project tracking, or any type of list or journals or notes that you can create for yourself. I have different lists that I already created. I have a page for all my YouTube content ideas. You can set up different categories and status and just change the labels however it works for you. So I have a bunch of ideas. I just drop them in. I have a page for the contents for my beauty channel. So you can view this in a calendar view, which is what I like to look at. You can also look at it in a table view or a board view. It's the similar layout as Airtable and Trello. So however you like to adjust it and set it up to make it easier for yourself. I like to look at it in calendar view. In the calendar view, I like to put 2 days. One is the published day, one is the filming deadline. On the published day is where I put my ideas in the calendar. So if I scroll down to January, I'm going to publish 1 videos a week, that's for sure, on a Saturday. So that's my current plan is. I start dropping ideas of things that I am going to post. Like I said, each month I have a specific favorite and fail video that I post. So last week of the month, So that's 12 videos out of the way. And then I also fit into contents that I know I'm going to receive PR box, that I need to produce content. So I drop them in there. Other than that, I started to brainstorm all the products that I can review, any problems that I can help solve, any materials that I already have that I can produce content with. You can see I already planned it out to July. At the end of the year, I know that I am going to produce gift guides, holiday hauls, any major sales going on, or like transition of the season, things like that. So those are pretty routine, and I know that they are absolutely need to be there. Regularly, each video, it takes me from 1 hour to 3 hours to edit, and I have to spread it out into different days because I have to work in the morning. So usually in the evening, after all the chores and things before bed, I'm editing them. So usually it could take me 2 to 3 nights sometimes to edit one video. So I need to give myself the wiggle room of editing those videos before it published. I don't want to push myself too hard to have to edit 3 videos a week. So I know that's not going to happen. In order to publish one video on this Saturday, I need to film that at least a week ahead so that I have extra day to edit it. So I'll put them into the filming deadline. Before I film the video, I will actually go in, change my calendar view to see filming deadline. You will see here I have already planned out each week on a Saturday what kind of video I am going to film. Sometimes it's 1 video, sometimes it's 2 videos. Keep in mind that because of this channel, I also have to fit in time to film contents for this channel as well. So my Saturdays are packed. The night before, say this Saturday I'm going to film this review, the day before I will actually open up, I will start typing my key points on the notes section here. Point number 1, number 2, number 3. So I plan it all out. I will do all the research, putting out the key points, write my script even. On the day that I'm actually filming, I will just pull up my phone and look at these notes. I know that what exactly I need to talk about. This way actually save me so much time and make me more prepared. It actually will eventually save you time on editing as well. Obviously, these are just plans. So if something happened in between, or maybe I get like other products that I need to fit in, I can move them accordingly. But at least I know that I have all these ideas already laid out. I don't have to be spontaneous and think about it on the day. And when I finish filming, I have these different categories. I will move them into editing, move them into publish so that I know that they are done. That actually will be very helpful in the coming year because all I need to do is look at what I have in the current year and just shift them into the new year. I just find this Notion app really helpful. From the calendar view, you do not have to use this app. Before I use this app, I actually use Google Calendar and I just do the same thing. I just put them into the dates. So you can absolutely use Google Calendar if that works for you. So that's my tips and video today. I hope you find it helpful. If you have any suggestions or feedback, let me know in the comment below. And I appreciate it if you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video.